Hey everyone! This is a 16 by 16 red-green-blue LED matrix for the Raspberry Pi. It's called the Unicorn Hat HD, and it's made by those pirate folks over at Pi Moroni. Being a hat for the Raspberry Pi, of course, means that it snaps directly onto the GPIO pins like this. It comes with an optional screen that you can put over it to diffuse the pixels a bit, which I think makes it look really cool too. This is a test script that I wrote to see how quickly it updates. So every single frame, it's randomizing the color of every pixel. And you can see that even with it updating each pixel, the rate is still pretty good. The flickering halo that you see is just from my camera. In person, you don't see this multiplexing flicker. It just looks like the pixels are changing colors really quickly. One thing I like about this matrix is that they provide a very easy-to-use Python module for drawing on it. Basically, the only four methods you need to know are the clear method for clearing the display, the set pixel method for changing the red, green, blue value of a specific pixel, the show method, which updates the display. So when you call set pixel, you don't see the change right away, which makes sense because if you're animating something frame by frame, you don't want the individual pixels to change one at a time. You want all of the changes for a single frame to happen at once. And that's what the show method does. It updates the display with all of the pixel changes you've made. And then the off method obviously shuts down the display when you're done. So the API is really simple and easy to remember. You can do a lot of cool stuff with it too. You could make games on it. You could make a really fancy Tamagotchi pet. You could use it to display the status of something, like a download progress bar, the weather forecast, sensor readings, or just as a piece of programmable artwork to keep on your desk or in your window. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go to the comments below and let me know what project you would build with a matrix like this. But until next time, bye!